Manufacturing is the backbone of American industry. But we're not just working in it, we're reshaping it. We're the ones on the production floor, developing new systems to improve the process. The ones in the design lab, finding innovative solutions to create better products. As a manufacturing engineering technology major at UNI, you are the one that makes things happen. The applied expert between the engineer and the craftsman. With our students' first mindset, your classroom is hands-on and industry-centric. You'll work in our top-notch facilities, collaborating with industry partners on projects that are transforming the field. Through innovation, future-focused education, and grit, we don't just achieve dreams, we build them from the ground up. Are you ready to get to work? Because we're ready for you. Visit admissions.uni.edu today.